Alam mo ba, the cemetery is the most valuable piece of real estate in the world? Ang tanong, paano? It's because these are billion peso ideas sitting here. We know na for every opportunity or for every business, no, nagsa-start yan sa isang idea. Most likely may idea ka, yung mama mo, yung papa mo may idea din, and yung mga idea na yun is hanggang hindi pa rin nangyari. And nawala na lang sila, nag-pass away na lang sila, and the idea is still there. Now, hindi pati ako makarelate din dito. Ang point ko dito is this. You have a idea and that idea may change the world. But the reason what's holding you back is you're telling yourself, baka kailangan ko ng more resources for me to do this. Baka kailangan ko ng capital. Wala kasi akong time. Baka mag-fail ako. And the real point here is, you don't need more ideas. You just need to execute these ideas to make this into a reality. We think kasi na sobrang valuable ng idea natin at may value siya. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, walang value yung idea mo up until you take action. So, listen to me. Stop watching this video and start implementing your idea.